world is watching. Tibetans! Tibetans! Tibetans!
My name is Ogyen Badesang, National Director of Students for Free Tibet Canada. Today we're protesting in front of the Toronto Stock Exchange to bring attention to a recent landslide in Tibet that caused 83 deaths. 2 of them were Tibetans. We are calling on China Gold International Resources to stop all its mining operations inside Tibet. We cannot have a company that's based in Vancouver, Canada, mining in Tibet, where there has been more than 110 self-immolations. The mining operations are causing water pollution, they're damaging the ecosystem, and the rivers that lead from Yama Valley go into all of the major rivers in Asia. China Gold must stop its operations in order to protect the ecosystem in Tibet and to respect the rights of the Tibetan people who are not consulted in the mining operations in Tibet.